Hey guys, Joseph here. Things have been heating up over here as summer starts, and it's the perfect time to turn up the heat in our own way with another Beat the Heat episode. We're starting to see some record-breaking heat waves across the US, so stay safe out there, and make sure you have the right equipment in your car to beat the heat, starting with your dash cam. While our previous episodes have focused on testing cameras, there's something fundamental we haven't focused on just yet, something that applies to all dash cam users: the mount on the camera. As we all know, cameras are best mounted on the windshield itself, and the unfortunate reality is that when your vehicle is left idle under the sun, these windows get hot. Since cameras are mounted on them, the camera naturally absorbs a lot of the heat from the windshield. But does the type of mount matter? And what mount handles that heat better? That's what we're going to set out and test today in the BlackboxMyCar Heat Tank, so let's get to it. Now, you might be wondering, what type of mounts are there? Well, the first, most common, is the adhesive mount option, which is certainly our go-to. We trust adhesive mounts as the best option for holding the camera still, resulting in shake-free footage and being a permanent, reliable option. Still, since the tape sits so close to the windshield and the camera, the question is, how much will that heat transfer through the mount to the camera? As for the second mount, those are suction cups. These come in all shapes and sizes and offer an easy and versatile mounting option, being put up in seconds. Suction cups typically branch off from the camera, so in theory, the head won't transfer as much to the camera. But does that make them better in high heat? We've heard claims from users that high heat can cause suction cups to expand and fall down, while also making them softer and less effective in the long run. So let's test that theory out in this heat tank. We can't exactly mount to the top of the toaster due to the curved top and top heating elements, so instead, we'll use a backing sheet on the bottom to hold the PVC stand, the same one we used in our original Beat the Heat videos. These stands should absorb heat from the top heating element and distribute it through the mount, similar to how a windshield would. So to start the test, we'll set the toaster to 70 degrees Celsius or 158 degrees Fahrenheit, which we'll stay at for about an hour and a half before checking in. Now, to start off by giving some context, the operating temperature for the Thinkware U3000 is minus 10 to 60 degrees Celsius, or for the Blackview DR970X 2-channel LTE, minus 20 to 80 degrees Celsius. And lastly, for the Viofo A229 Pro, minus 20 to 65 degrees Celsius. Obviously, if a dashcam is a dual-channel version, they do tend to run on the hotter side. But anyways, our goal is to go beyond that temperature. Thus, we're starting at 70 degrees Celsius, just to see how your mount could react inside your car when you leave it parked under the blazing hot sun. So checking in. The good news is that both mounts are intact. The PVC frame is definitely struggling, and analyzing the top of the adhesive and suction cup shows signs that they're starting to falter. While both are strong enough to resist a bit of force, the suction cup could probably be pulled off easier than before. Still, let's up the temperature to 80 degrees Celsius and give it another hour. And an hour later, let's see how it's doing. Looks like the PVC is definitely feeling the heat. Its form has started drooping pretty significantly, but surprisingly, both our mounts are still standing. While the bending is not ideal, the good news is that the resting spot of the mounts isn't all too affected, and if anything, effectively simulates the angling of a windshield. Looking at the top of the adhesives, we can see that they're starting to weaken, which we can measure by the drying up of the moisture underneath the mount, forming a seal. The less moisture is underneath these mounts, the less of a vacuum-like seal between the windshield and the mount, and the weaker it is. Let's see if they hold up to a little prodding. With the suction cup, we can see that the moisture has dried up a fair bit more. And poking at the suction cup, we can see that from the top that the seal gets weaker with every poke. And there it goes. With a few light pokes, it's fallen off. Meanwhile, the adhesive is showing similar effects on its moisture, but not half as much. And giving it a test, it's still firmly in place. No matter how rough we shake it, it's not coming off. This proves to us that adhesives are the way to go in high heat, though we have heard of a few innovative solutions to improve both of these options. Now, basic suction cups and adhesives aren't the be-all end-all of mounting, and people have been in this space long enough to come up with a few innovative solutions to help improve things in the heat. First, for the adhesive, Thinkware has some innovative heat-blocking film that actually sits between the mount and the windshield, protecting and deflecting the heat. Suction cups aren't far behind with their own option, mounting discs. These third-party, often DIY discs behave in much the same way, acting as a landing pad of sorts for the suction cup. These are a bit more gimmicky, since they'll need to fit your suction cup exactly, otherwise the mount won't really stick to it. Plus, while we're only testing the short-term reliability of suction cups in heat, we've heard that high heat can also permanently deform the suction cup. Thanks to a neat trick from Vortex Radar though, you can actually boil the suction cup to get them back into shape. If you'd like to see us test those out as well, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this short and quick experiment. As we've seen from our results, adhesives are definitely the way to go for dashcam mounting. We'll be releasing more high heat content throughout the rest of the summer, so be sure to stay tuned and hit that like and subscribe button. Plus, all summer long, we'll have special deals on our BlackboxMyCar Essentials, so check out our store for 15% off tools to ensure your summer journey is a safe one. Stay cool out there and see you in the next one.